So, in a couple weeks from now, I'm heading to Japan for a hotel shoot. I'm heading to Tokyo. And at the same time I'm going there, I have a team heading to Indonesia for another hotel shoot, lifestyle shoot, models, video, and photography. And so, this is a rarity for us. We usually have enough kits for two shoots to happen at the same time, but this is sort of like three shoots happening at the same time. So, it's gonna be a tricky one, and normally I use Sony for that. I use Leica for my commercial work, but not hotel work. Never really interior stuff, but this shoot I'm gonna have to. And so I figured I'd pack my bag up, show you my kit for this, show you what I'm gonna take and why. And also get a new bag, I can show you guys that as well. It's not gonna be like a bag review, but I'll show you sort of how I can pack a commercial kit, a commercial Leica kit for this type of shoot. It's also a good test for me because I'd like to start using Leica more for my hotel work because I do a lot of hotel work and I love Leica. And I think it'd be great for the lifestyle stuff with models, but the interior stuff, a little bit difficult, a little bit expensive because I have to invest in more lenses. But I'm going to show you the kit I'm going to take now because I think people like this sort of stuff. So I just picked up this Billingham 445. It's the older version. The Mark II was not available. I found a good deal on the Mark I. I also really like the colorway of this one. It doesn't have that option. It has a sage green, but it has like the dark brown leather, and this has the light brown leather. And I really like this combo. So I've packed this bag out. I'll unpack it now and kind of show you guys what I put in there. I don't know the best way to do these sort of unpacking type things, so maybe I'll just like set this up here and maybe I'll put in some B-roll as well, but this is it. This is the bag. It's a beauty. And so I've just fully packed it up now. I haven't weighed it yet. It has a laptop, two cameras, a bunch of lenses, and accessories. So I'm going to hope to carry this on. Well, I have no choice to carry this on. So I'm just going to weigh it now. I fly with Vietnam Airlines. I have a high status with them. Humble brag. So I can usually take, 11 kilos on my carry-on. Then my personal bag, I might just take this little cute little stowaway bag that I just did a review about. Don't worry, I still have my woke prep bag, still have many use cases, and oftentimes I'd use a roller bag in this situation, but I want to try this out. This is a kind of bag you can carry on. It's kind of bag, it's going to be heavy on the shoulder, but I've made it like a makeshift, I'll show you that, a makeshift sort of luggage pass. And it's also the kind of bag I can work out of. This kind of shoot I have an assistant, so that's not really a big deal, but I wanted to try it. Billingham bags, they have a nice opening on top and nice dividers inside. And so I'm going to try to work out of this bag. For slower commercial shoots, I can work out of a bag, meaning I put it down, not wearing it and working out of it, because that's a lot more difficult with a bag like this. They make their Hadley bag, which is better for that kind of workflow. Wearing it and working, like street photography, editorial assignments, but commercial work, I do a lot of these shoots, also solo missions where, so this is like a test for that too, where I'm going on these commercial shoots, but I can slow down a bit. I'm doing a portrait in a controlled environment. So anyway, first like fully packed, I just want to weigh the bag and see what we're coming in at today. Let's see. We're 9.5, so that's good. That's going to be fine for my carry-on with Vietnam Airlines, 9.5. The nice thing about the Billingham system to work out of, this bag, the 445 to work out of, is once you take the top out and you take this flap off, the slow process here, it's going to be fast after that. If you want to move it, it has an inside strap. That's kind of smart. So you can just kind of move it and move it around easy without having to flap it and close it. And so it has this big main pocket here. And I'll just sort of take things out one by one. So my B camera on this shoot is going to be my Leica SL2. If I need it to be an A camera, it's fine if something goes wrong. 24 megapixels is still fine for my interiors. My A camera here is my silver SL2, not the SL2S. Again, something I would consider maybe down the line upgrading, but just no need yet. This sensor is going to be just fine for me. Attached here for interiors, which I'll do a lot of my room shots with, will be a Panasonic 24. I might, if I do more, like I said, if I do more hotel work, and I need these wider fixed lens, I'd probably upgrade to SL lenses. I do have one SL zoom lens, I'll talk about that in a minute. But for now, I'm gonna use the 24 Panasonic. I ordered a Sigma 21.4 for just having a wide angle, because some of our room shots, people want that mega wide. I don't love it, has a little bit too much distortion for my taste, but anyway, ordered that, it'll come in this week. So those will be my workhorses for the shoot. But again, if I start doing more hotel work, more interior work with this setup, I'll probably invest in some SL lenses, but even that 20 is pretty nice. I heard good things about it. And so I'll also, again, this is no model, so I don't really need longer lenses, but I like to have some different lenses in case I'm doing some detail shots in the room. And you just never know what pops up. I might have an opportunity to shoot some staff or things like that. So got my 50 Summilux, I've got my 35 Summilux, and the way I'm doing that in this bag, because I don't have room for everything, I am stacking lenses because these are small. I'll put a little divider in between them, but stacking nicely here. I'll try to show you the interior once it's all packed up. I have these little Wollstonecraft little pouches here. I filled these with different things. This one will be my accessory kit for my laptop. So you'll have my laptop charger, memory card reader, and then hard drives in here. I've got as a backup lens to sort of cover me throughout, have a nice range. I've got the 24-90. That's really in case anything goes wrong with any of these lenses. It's always good to have a zoom backup, even though I'm a prime lens kind of guy. I've got a Voigtlander 75. That's going to work for some detail shots in the room if I need it. And that's sort of the inside. You can customize this how you want and lay it out as you want. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6 lens order that I'm going to pick up this week, and 2 bodies. And then in the front of this bag, I've got my laptop, I've got my EarPods Max, MacBook Air 13-inch. It's lighter. I like having something lighter. I'm not going to be doing the editing for these photos on shoot. I'll be doing them afterwards. That's these nice little pockets in front. So this will be like entertainment, laptop, and laptop accessories. The main compartment will be all camera stuff. And then when I'm on shoot in the hotel, work out of this bag, I can take all this other stuff out for weight. I don't need it. I can take out the laptop, the headphones. And then really, the front pocket here, I can have my another pouch, another little Wollstonecraft pouch. This will just have my extra batteries for the SL2 system and memory cards. In the front little pocket, just quickly accessible batteries, 2 chargers. I take 2 chargers on every shoot, so those will go on the back here, just sort of hidden away. And I've got 5 SL batteries, which actually seems like a lot, but it's not. I probably need to buy a 6 for this type of work because the screen's going to be on a lot. As far as the lighting kit goes, my assistant will be bringing that. I'm not going to go through the entire lighting kit, but this is just like my camera bag, camera kit, and the bag I'm going to work out of. Again, normally I'd like to work out for hotel shoots a roller bag because we're moving around a lot, but we might have a cart to be able to move around. And really, this is just a test to see if this kit works and if this bag works for me when I'm on solo missions, where I like to take a bag, I like to carry a bag. As far as like making this a makeshift luggage pass, because the 445 doesn't come with one. It's nice when you're transiting through different airports and you have to roll a lot, like to not have that weight on your back. I did stuff in this Dome Kit little strap here. I did a little video on it. Anyway, I sort of just manipulate this around and it can attach it to my roller bag, and I think it'll work. Or worst case, I might get like a thing sewn in Vietnam. It'd be kind of cheap. So yeah, that's my overall kit for the shoot. I've got like another little Billingham matching bag, my little airplane bag, and that'll have my passport, my phone. Something else I did recently, I just switched to an iPhone 13 mini. Well, I didn't switch. I kind of made this my somewhat dumb phone, slightly less intellectual phone. I just got rid of social media from it. I have all my other apps, rideshare apps, banking, web browser, that kind of stuff. But it's just a small pocketable phone I'm going to take on shoots. I take it when I leave the house. And I have an iPhone 15 Pro that I keep here for social media, which is something I just want to do for a dedicated time throughout the day. I've only been doing it a few days, but I really like it. My screen time has been cut down a lot. I'm reading more. And then I think when I'm flying too, it'll force me to read more. I miss reading. I miss slowing down. I miss like not being on social media a ton, but I still like doing YouTube and I still like doing little videos. So that's my makeshift hotel kit, my emergency kit, we'll call it. I will have a version of this for my other commercial work and even some of my editorial work. Anyway, that's it. This is a different type of episode for me. I don't leave for a little while, but I'm heading out soon. The wife is on the shoot right now, and then she comes back, she goes on another shoot, and I go on a shoot. And that's it. And I'll introduce you to my new dog. He is blind. His name is Joey, and he's adorable. We just sort of fostered him for a week and then decided to keep him full time. Hey, Joey, say hi. He's getting along with the other dogs. He's blind. He has to wear a diaper till he's house trained. Anyway, that's it. Hope you guys like this episode. Something a little different, but anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Oh, I also have another workshop opened up for December. So my Central Vietnam workshop, something brand new, is now open for registration. You can check all that out at askmont.com. Bye.